Hare Krishna Maharaj. Just like Sudapa and Rishi performed austerities and they control their senses. So right now, how we can control our senses?
It's a very simple thing. It is prescribed in Shastra. If you don't know, ask your authority, spiritual authority. They will tell you. But in this Kali Yuga, you don't do what Prusni and Sutapa did, eating dry leaves and other. You take nice, only prasadam, not outside chaat and panipuri. You take prasadam offered to Krishna and every day get up early morning, come for Mangalarti, do the full morning program and attend service, and that's your austerity. Very simple austerity. Then see how you are getting change. This is so simple and we can do it. It is not something very difficult. If we are not doing that, then how we can expect the other austerity go to Himalaya or do this? Forget. This is not for Kali Yuga people. They are in Satya Yuga, they can do that. They are millions of lifespan. We have a very simple temporary life of 40, 50, 60, 80 years. In the young age, you are feeling old age. So what austerities you are expecting? This is perfect austerity for us to follow the rules and regulations of ISKCON, Krishna Conscious Society, and be Krishna Conscious. That is perfect austerity for this age. Okay? Yes?
Sir, how to maintain... Sir, as a student, how to maintain Krishna consciousness and studies together?
How to maintain Krishna consciousness?
And studies, how to...
Okay, good, you are a student, I mean. Okay, So how to maintain Krishna consciousness and studies? You can become a Krishna conscious student. When you are studying or doing anything, a worker can be a Krishna conscious worker. A warrior can be a Krishna conscious warrior. A student can be a Krishna conscious student. A scientist can be a Krishna conscious scientist. A doctor can be a Krishna conscious doctor. A preacher can be a Krishna conscious. Everything we do, your profession, you just linked into Krishna and become Krishna conscious. Okay?
And how to become Krishna conscious student?
That's why you become a Krishna conscious student means whatever you are studying, whatever you are doing, that your goal should be to please Krishna. If you please Krishna, then your study method should be changed. You should get up early in the morning before Brahma Arati and come to temple in front of Lord. Lord, please bless me, I should be a good student in a proper mood. Pray to Lord and then go and chant some rounds, then start reading. In the Krishna conscious students, they will not study in the whole night like Bhut Pret. That is a Preta, Bhutas standard. Nowadays, all the students, all night they will study and day sleep. No. This is Mahatama Guna. Study in Brahma Muhurta. The time is very helpful. And then sleep early. There is a notion in English also. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. You want to be like that? Healthy, wealthy and wise? So what is the formula? Very simple. Just sleep early and wake up early. So that is Krishna conscious, first starting from this. Then come to Lord, pray to Lord, do some chanting, read some Bhagavad Gita, a page or 2 pages a day, and do your studies. Then see. And eat only Krishna Prasad and don't do garbage. So that is it. You can become a Krishna conscious student. I am not saying you forget your studies. No, no, no. Do your studies. Do your job, what you are doing. Just change your attitude that everything what we are doing, I am really servant of Krishna, I should please Krishna in this way. In these activities, through these activities, our aim is to please Krishna. So, dovetail your actions in Krishna. That's it.
Sir, I have another question.
Okay, yes.
My question is that in home, our family members are not devotee and they also don't...
Baba, okay, I understand. Your family members, if you get up 3:30, 4 o'clock, family members, they will wake up at 7:30, 8 o'clock. Your Krishna conscious activity is finished by that time. So who is stopping you? It is you. If you sleep early by 8 o'clock, you sleep and get up by 3. and do your chanting and start studying, then who is stopping you? Why you are blaming the family members? Don't blame others.
No, sir, my question is that actually I can't attend Mangalarti, especially in home, because in home there is no means.
Okay, no need to come to temple, Baba. No need to create a temple. If you are a student staying in your family, just try to sleep early and wake up early. And then by getting up, even you don't want to take a cold bath, forget to take bath. Wash your face and chant few rounds, 5-6 rounds, then start studying. That's also a good start of becoming a Krishna conscious student. Okay?
And what prasadam in home we...
Whatever prasadam your family is giving, just make sure that non-veg should not be there. It should be vegetable, and if they are not offering, you offer your mentally. Oh Krishna, I am a student staying in a hostel and family, so please be merciful in me, accept just something like that, I should want to take prasad. Pray like that and eat. Okay?
Thank you, Maharaj.
Yeah. Okay? हरे कृष्णा। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण की समवेत भक्त वृंद की जय।